Hey everyone, this is Nisha with Little Craft Nest. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial of how to upload free images to Cricut Design Space. If you're new to Cricut, this is something you're going to want to learn because you are going to use it often. So if we go over to the left side of Design Space, you'll see the upload button. We're going to click on that. Now it says upload image. Now we can upload images from all different places. The first place I'm going to show you is a site called Design Bundles. Now Design Bundles has a number of free images. There are also paid images you can get, but at the top we're going to go to free designs. And we want to use SVG files. So on the side here it says free SVGs. So we're going to click on that. And all these files here are free and they actually come with a commercial license. So you can use these images on products that you sell. So I really like this Jesus one here. So we're going to click on that. And it says download free now. Click. And it just downloaded and that'll automatically download into my download files. So if we go back to Cricut, and now we're going to press upload image and browse. And I'm going to go to my download file and let's scroll down and find it. And I think this one is it here. And you'll notice a number of different files. Now we want to do the SVG file. So we're going to click on that one and press open. And here is our file. So we can name the image. It comes with the name already. You can keep that there. And then you can also throw in some tags so you can search for it easier later. So I'm going to say Jesus, cross, and then press upload. And now if you want to use this file, just click on it, press insert images, and you can use this cut file however you want. You can visualize it in a different color if you want. And then you would just cut it out like you would anything else. Now, if you want to upload an image from Google, we could do that as well. So let's go over to Google. And here I've typed in free ice cream cartoon. Now you have to remember if you're getting images off of Google, most of them are just for personal use. Some of them you can't use. And there's a good chance they are not commercial license files. So you won't be able to sell anything if you grab these images. So you may just want to look at the licensing before you use an image just to make sure. So let's see. I like this little ice cream cone here with the smiley face. So let's grab that. I'm going to save this image, save image as. And I'm just going to save it to my desktop so I can find it really easy. Now, if we go back into Design Space, let's press Upload Image. And then I have my image here on my desktop and I'm just going to drag and drop it. If you saved it somewhere else, you can browse for it. Now we have some options here and it looks like a simple design, but if we press simple, you can see it took the lines away here. And so I'd say this design is a little more complex. So let's press the complex button so that we have our full image here and we're going to press continue. Now it's zoomed in. So at the top right, I'm just going to zoom out. Now, if we were to continue and save the file like this, we would just be saving a blank square cut file. If you press preview at the bottom, this is the image it would be saving. So we don't want to do that. We're going to go to the top left and use the magic wand here. And we're going to press the background. Now this background is making everything here transparent. So now you are not going to see that when we save our image. If we press preview, now our cut file just looks like the silhouette of the ice cream cone. But I want a little more detail than that. So we can go ahead and continue to use our magic wand on different areas of our image. So let's press this pink area and let's do the cone as well. So I'm pressing all the different triangles here. And if we were to press preview now, this is what our file would look like. So let's continue to take away more of the background. Let's press preview. and that would be our image. We could also do the little stick or straw. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. Maybe it's a spoon, and we can take that away as well. Now I notice, I don't know if you can see it, there's this tiny little dot here. So I'm going to go to the top right and press the eraser and just get rid of that dot. And it's gone. Let's preview this one more time. And there is our cut image. So let's press continue. Now we have a choice to save this as a cut image or a print and cut image. So if we save it as a cut image, it's going to cut out all these lines just as you see. If we save it as a print and cut image, it's going to save it as a picture. We are going to save this as a cut image, and let's change the name here. Let's call it ice cream, and let's do some keywords here. And let's press upload, and there's our image. And if we click that, we can insert that image now. And this is rather big, but we can shrink this down. And there is our ice cream cone. Now let's do something a little more detailed. Let's save a print and cut image. So we'll go to upload, and let's actually go back to Google again. And let's do something with a lot of detail. I'm going right, let's see, sunset. And there's a lot of pictures here. So let's save one of these images. Going to save this to my desktop again. There it is. Let's go back to Design Space. And we're going to upload image. I'm going to drag and drop my sunset here. And this is a very complex picture. If we were to press simple, it takes a lot of that detail away, and there's moderate, still not much detail. So we want to really save this as a complex image. We're going to press continue. And now this is the image we want to save. We could erase some of it if you want. If you want to get rid of that blue sky, then we would just have this image here. I'm going to press undo at the top corner because I want to save this whole image. I'm going to press continue. Now this is the cut image, and we don't want to save just a rectangle. I want to save it as a print and cut. So what this is going to do is we're going to print the picture with our printer and then use our Cricut to cut around this image. So let's save it as sunset. And we can click on that image, insert image, and there is our sunset. Here on the side, you'll see it says print then cut. So this is not a cut file. We're going to send this to our printer, and then our Cricut will cut around the image. If you want to learn more about print and cut, let me know in the comments, and I will try to do a tutorial on that another day. And if you're interested in uploading your own drawings or your kids' drawings, I will leave a link for that in the end screen of this video. If you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments and I'd be glad to help you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafting tutorials.